An obstacle that you want to increase your brand visibility on different marketing platforms and want to increase your customer base, right? So here are some tips that will going to help you. Like, the first is understand what the targets of your customers, right? You have to understand, like, if you are on specialized on something, like, it's not possible your customers liked it, right? So you just get to know about what's your customers target, right? What your customers really liked it, what the market is running along. So you have to take care of all these things, right? Second is, like, the most important thing, like, invest in your marketing, video marketing, right? So if you are investing in your video marketing, like, so just make it really short and make it like sensible, right? So you don't have to make it a long video, and just be on point, right? You are making a short video, so it will be good form of marketing, right? The third point is, like design a great logo of your brand. Like, it's very important. Like, people, great logo, people will always just watch the logo. Like, their logos and brand names are so fascinating. Like, people always tend to know, like, oh, that's really nice, so they'll also come forward while doing all these things. So you just design a logo very well, right? And the fourth one is, like, get a good website, right? Get a good website. Just work on your website, like how people can order from you. Like, it will be easy. Like, if you tell your website, like, these are so like, all these are now networking, so website is a very good option for you to grow, to grow more your brand visibility, right? And make sure your price is so reasonable, right? Because, like, if you are new in the market, so it will not going to work if you make price very high, right? If you take price very high, it will not going to work it. So make sure you have to, like, you have to maintain that price is very reasonable, like. And my another point is, like, maintain your quality. Like, if you are doing something, if you are making some recipe, so just maintain your quality, because everything is depends upon the quality also. If you have everything is good, like, if your logo is good, your website is very nice, but the quality of food that you have presented is not good, that will not going to work anything, right? Okay, so you have to make sure that your quality will be maintained. Okay, so another thing, like, there are so many platforms that you can make it, like, on you can make an account on social media, like Facebook, Instagram, Zomato, Swiggy, and in fact OLX also. So you will get more and more orders. Like, from my personal experience, I also have done all these things. I have accounts, I have many social media accounts in like Instagram, Facebook, OLX, and all these things. Pinterest, you can go to Pinterest also. So on OLX, you have to just make your profile on OLX and just put that, yeah, I have that selling these things. Don't go with like more 10 to 20 menus, right? Just put like 3 to 4 menus, that yes, you are doing something, and yes, you are selling a cake, and what are the like prices and all these things. Just make a profile on OLX, and people will get a call from you, and they please share your number, and maybe if you have website, or maybe your other Instagram handling and Facebook profile, just share on the OLX, so people will get in touch with you all. That's it. So these are the things. that it will going to help in your brand visibility and in a different marketing platform. So like I said, Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest, you can post your you can just post your post, and just be consistent. For example, if you are taking Instagram, like how to grow your business in Instagram, like if you have to make one account in Instagram, like a good logo, with your good logo and brand name, right? So make sure consistency is the key, right? Consistency is a very big thing. If you are consistent at your work, if you are consistent at your post, like if you are posting it on Monday, and if you are posting your post in Tuesday, so make sure every week you will post in Monday and Tuesday, right? So it will going to, people will get to know, yeah, this is your content, and this content is always showing Monday and Tuesday. So it will be good for you. Always use different and different, and different, and always use whatever you are posting. If you are posting related cakes and on pastries, use hashtag related to cakes and pastry. For example, home hashtag cakes design. So, and tag your local partners. If you are living in that local city, just tag whatever you are posting, your photo or whatever you're posting of your work, just tag your city. So, and one must more one thing is that please make sure your account is is not private. It must be publicly, so that you can tag, so that people, if other people tags you, so other customer can see you, like. And make sure, tell your customers to give reviews on your Instagram or Facebook, like on comments. And same example, if you're doing Pinterest, like Pinterest is like basically, if you go and if you type cakes, if you want to see different style of cakes, you just type cakes. So you have to make an account in Pinterest, and whatever you are making, just post it, and use different and good hashtags, so that if other people will if write ki, I want to, like, if they want to see like different cakes photos, if you use that different cake photos hashtag, so it will come up your in the first, right? So basically Pinterest is also same like in Instagram, like you have to post it very, every time you have to post it. Don't be so like very, like if you're posting today and don't post it after 10 days or 20 15 days, so people will get lose interest in that. So if you have to be like, if you are doing something, you have to be consistent on all these things. That's it.